Hello, beautiful people. Today let's play with pirates. Actually, this is my most, I would say, loved deck regarding Syndicate, and I love it, but it's, I would say, very controversial and difficult to play. It can be very good, or unfortunately, if our opponent plays with heavy control, and then we will face some kind of problems. What we have here is a great thinning due to the fact that we play here a Royal Decree. Also, we have here Vivaldi's Bank. Regarding thinning, we also have the Flying Redanian, plus this package, so Casino Bouncers and also Sewer Riders. So as you can see, regarding our deck, we can play 21 cards from our deck. So most likely we will get all the most important cards, especially that we have here Vivaldi's Bank, and even if our scenario is the last card in our deck, we can still get it by utilizing Vivaldi's Bank just in case. But then you would have to keep Vivaldi's Bank till the last round, and obviously not always this is the case. So most likely you will get this scenario because we have Vivaldi's Bank, but not necessarily it's always the case. But anyway, let me walk you through the cards. Let's discuss the strategy. Hidden cage. This is kind of important to play all 3 rounds, so you cannot dry pass. You need to reach a certain amount of coins, and regarding our deck, because the hoard here will be 7, so in every round you need to achieve 7, and then it will make your game so much easier once you will play Flinders Crew. But obviously you have a counter 3. So in every round, the counter will be deducted by 1. So in round 3, once it's gonna reach 0, then you are allowed to play Flinders Crew, and then your hoard will be so much less than it is right now. Here we have Tiger's Eye, very important for us to gain coins. So imagine a situation in which we have here 3 coins plus 5 coins from Tiger's Eye. It means we have already 8, and in order to get the Flying Britannian, we need to be at hoard 7. So it means that automatically the Flying Britannian will pop out from our deck. So this is a huge advantage. The same goes in the second round. So you need to achieve 7, and then also, first of all, the Flying Britannian will be summoned, and the second of all, the counter on the Flying Screw will be deducted. Then we have the scenario in search of forgotten treasure. Make sure that you will play it in the range row, and it's gonna be on the far right. This is kind of important, so make sure it's gonna be in this way. Azar Javed. So first you play Azar Javed. The second card that you play in the last round it's in the search of forgotten treasure. So you have a protection for at least 2 rounds due to the fact that Azar Javed will create 2 scarabs. Royal Decree, obviously, to get one of the important cards. Vivaldi's Bank, mainly for this scenario, but also it's a good thinning tool. Then we have Imke, and Imke actually should be played in the range row, obviously, but somewhere in the front, because this is like one of these cards that is responsible for gaining coins. And obviously there are certain cards that will benefit from the number of coins that we have, but this is kind of important to play it on the very left hand side of the range row. BC, and this is like one of these cards that is benefiting from having Imke. So first on the left hand side it should be Imke, then it should be BMC. Frank will not discuss. Conjurer's Candle, also kind of important for us, especially during the second round. We would like to get these 4 coins plus obviously the 3 from our leader ability, and then automatically you meet the expectation of having 7 coins in your pouch, and then the Flying Britannian will pop out from your deck. That's point number 1. Second of all, the counter will be deducted. So this is kind of important card for us. Ixora, this is our removal tool. Vice is 8, so it's pretty low. And regarding the number of coins that we have in this deck, if you play Ixora in the 3rd round, we are able to get 9 coins every single round. So it means that with the spender, you are able to destroy a unit in every single round. Flinders Crew, it was already discussed, super important card. Soul, it's a second card after obviously BNC that will benefit from Imke. So also make sure that that this card will be on the right hand side from Imke. Then we have Fit and Eldia, and this is also the same situation. That blow gains 2 coins, but hoard needs to be regarding this deck. It is gonna be at 0 actually if you play Flinders Crow, so we don't need to worry about the coins. Townsfolk, another card that benefits from having Imke and from gaining coins. Also, they need to be in the range row and obviously behind the defender and on the right hand side from Imke. Casino Bouncer Stinning. Treasure Huntress. Make sure that you will infuse the units in the melee row and then on the right hand side, because this is kind of beneficial for us if all the other units, they will get the profits from gaining coins. Sewer Riders, another Thinning. Tax Collector, also one of this unit that needs to be played on the left hand side in the range row. Sea Jackal, our coin spender. Street Urchins, also the same. It's a coin spender, but this is kind of important for us because it gives us profit 3. So it means that if you draw them in the second round, you can, let me say, use one of the tax collector. Obviously it will get locked, or it will be removed, but you will get 1 coin. So it means that you already have 4 coins in your pouch. Plus playing Urchins, you will get the profit of 3, and then it means that you already have 7. And 7, this is like the number that we are always looking for in every single round. The same obviously goes in the third round. So we are like really dependent on Flinders Crow, because once we have a Flinders Crow and we can create 4 of them, so it means that the horde would go drastically down by 4 points. So this is super beneficial regarding our deck. So this is the deck, guys. It doesn't have that much control. The only control that we have over here, basically here, it's Ixora, but actually our In Search of Forgotten Treasure, it's an absolute killer. So Gudrun Bjornstodir, once she will infuse the unit on the opponent side, it will automatically get 9 points of damages in every single round, because that's how much coins we are getting. So you can imagine that in theory, we don't have that much removal, but in fact, if this scenario is left without any kind of answer, then basically we are winning easily. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time and support. Please like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you in the next video. And the last announcement, guys, please go to your shelter and adopt the dog. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.
Onward! Attack! Semper Fi!
What do you think, dearest? It matches your eyes.
Don't give up easy, do you? Crush those vermin! Death to the enemy!
No, dwarves do not qualify for childcare tax relief.
Elves must die!
This wealth gap's getting ridiculous.
Death to the enemy!
I admire the beautiful. What can I say?
Nice mess you've got here. Semper Fi!
This map really isn't helping at all.
Nice mess you've got here.
Use that, smell that.
A receipt? I can draw a pecker on your forehead if you like.
Hey, what's that up your sleeve?
Death to the enemy!
Curse these devil tools.
If the ring won't come off, just take the whole finger. We'll need full Z6 CV1265X for that.
You will stop! Please!
Pay in gold, or I'll take your balls instead.
Nice mess you've got here. Semper Fi!
Red man will stand on he clicks the seal rolling it for you.
Bloody non-humans.
Control the docks, control the city.
Don't give up easy, do you?
Hey ho, ho.
Nice mess you've got here.
When do you got more voices with me?
Nice mess you've got here.
You one of us or not?
Nice mess you've got here.
I'll keelhole you by your nutsack!
Shark out of water's still got its teeth.
Do you have a loyalty discount by chance?
Hey!
Juiciest leaks in town, get 'em here.
No, dwarves do not qualify for childcare tax relief.
One man's battlefield is another man's ripe patch for harvest. Blue Mountains!
Think this shovel's big enough?
Z6CV1265X for that.
One arrow. That is all I need.
Bloody hate mages. Treating second nature to them.
Sewers remind me of the fjords back home.
Humans are scum. I prefer elves, dwarves, pixies even. If the ring won't come off, just take the whole finger.
Go ahead, move around all you want, it'll hurt more.
How many sweet rolls could I get for a diamond?
Oh, I'm feeling sleepy, grumpy, dopey, and bashful.
I am one with nature. Are you?
Bad smells are my specialty. Allow me to show you.
Control the docks, control the city.
I spend more time passing carrots than I do eating it.
Let the dance begin! There'll be plenty of time to go on. Wait!
They'll not leave me alive. Gudrun keeps a single lover in every port. Colin is no regret. Shoes only get in the way.
I'll show you, delicate.
You just picked a fight with the wrong kind of skellige.
Corporations are people too.
The theory read minds.
I once lopped off 3 heads with one blow.
What do you think, dearest? It matches your eyes. Good old smell of seagull shit. I really ought to help clear some of this clutter.
I feed the waters.
What is it? Date night at the butcher's yard?
Loot! Burn!
I admire the beautiful. What can I say?
Death sails in circles.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, what's that up your sleeve?
Think this shovel's big enough?
You wanna pass, you gotta pay. Can't let you through elseways.
Resist the guy's will, and that's how we'll end you. to you?
Blood washes away all shame! Allah Zar bin Allah!
Blood! Onwards!
Not bad. Not bad at all. Burn the homes! Fell the trees! Anything shiny! Plunder!
Which of you gonna wash voices with me?
Kill the sons! Steal the lasses! You'll never take us alive!
If the ring won't come off, just take the whole finger.